Hey guys, Philip from Pink and Tassel here and welcome back. Just look what I found last weekend on a flea market, a nice set of Victorian candle holders, and I'm ready to bring some magic in it. As any other project, we're gonna start from taking everything apart, taking off the metal parts and cleaning wood before priming. Okay, so the candlestick's been sanded, the metal parts being polished, and it's time to start priming. Primer helps to seal wood, so when you're gonna start painting with your primary color, you would need less paint than without primer. The primer has dried, and for painting I'm gonna use my standard choice of matte acrylic. Okay, the next step is aging. To make my candlesticks look more antique, I will be using a wood stain in a color of dark walnut. After that, I'll let it dry for a couple of days and then seal it with a clear glass. In the middle of project, I decided to cancel wooden beads and go with a more standard choice of a glass teardrop diamonds. The transformation is complete and I am in love with these candle holders. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If so, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave some comments below, and as always, craftfully yours, Philip from Pink and Tassel.